Today, I'll walk you through how to create and set up a form in ClickUp so you can start collecting requests, feedback, or bug reports directly inside your workspace without anyone needing their own ClickUp account. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. ClickUp Forms are one of those features that quietly transform how work enters your system. Instead of chasing down scattered emails or messages, every submission lands automatically as a task, organized exactly where you need it. To get started, log into your ClickUp account and open the workspace where you want to collect submissions. Think about which team or project this form will feed into, because that choice shapes where your incoming tasks will live. Once you're in the right workspace, look at the left sidebar and click on Forms. If you don't see it right away, it may be tucked inside the sidebar navigation. Look for the Forms icon or check under Apps. Now you'll choose whether to start from a template or build from scratch. Templates are a great option if you're setting up something standard like a bug report or a client intake form, because ClickUp gives you a solid starting point with the right field types already in place. If your use case is more specific, starting from scratch gives you total control. Next, you'll select where you want the form data to be saved. This is where ClickUp will create a new task every time someone submits the form, so choose your list carefully. Pick the list that your team already uses to manage that type of work, and every submission will slot right into your existing workflow without any extra sorting. With your destination set, you can now edit the form itself. You can add, remove, or reorder fields to collect exactly the information you need. Text fields, drop-downs, date pickers, attachments, ClickUp gives you plenty of options. Keep the form short and focused. The fewer fields you include, the more likely people are to actually complete and submit it. When everything looks right, publish your form and share the link with whoever you need to reach. They don't need a ClickUp account. They just fill it in and hit submit, and the task appears instantly in your chosen list. And that's it. You've just set up a ClickUp form that automatically turns submissions into actionable tasks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.